ছোট্ট বন্ধুরা, আজকে আমরা শিখব 40টি অ্যাকশন ভার্ব। চলো তাহলে শুরু করি। রান, আই এম রানিং। জাম্প, আই এম জাম্পিং। ওয়াক, I am walking. Dance, I am dancing. Sing, I am singing. Clap, I am clapping. Laugh, I am laughing. Cry, I am crying. Talk, I am talking. Read, I am reading. Write, I am writing. Draw, I am drawing. Slide, I am sliding. Swing, I am swinging. Swim, I am swimming. Smile, I am smiling. Shout, I am shouting. Listen, I am listening. Kick, I am kicking the ball. Throw, I am throwing the ball. Eat, I am eating. Drink, I am drinking. Cook, I am cooking. Wash, I am washing my hand. Clean, I am cleaning. Cut, I am cutting. Brush, I am brushing my teeth. Brush, I am brushing my hair. Shower, I am taking a shower. Happy, I am happy. Sleep, I am sleeping. Fold, I am folding. Clamp, I am clamping. Think, I am thinking. Angry, I am angry. Sick, I am sick. Call, I am calling. Wave, I am waving. punch, I am punching.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.